Today we'll be looking at multiplying binomials. With a leading coefficient of 1, we can use mental math and see a pattern quickly here. So here I have two binomials, n minus 10 times n plus 3. When I FOIL those, I end up with the trinomial n squared minus 7n minus 30. And if I look closely here, I have the numbers negative 10 and 3. If I add those together, I get negative 7. And if I multiply those, I get a negative 30. So I'm adding these two numbers to get the middle term and multiplying them to get the last term. So take a moment and try this example, x minus 3 times x plus 8. So I'm going to add the two terms, should give me the middle term, so that should be a 5x, and then multiply the two terms to give me the last term, negative 24. In our last example, x minus 7 times x minus 3. So my middle term should be a negative 10x, and my last term should be a plus 21. So we'll be solving this with the x method shortly, but in the meantime, let's look at this. We're going to say when we multiply these two numbers, we get a negative 30. And when we add these two numbers, we get a negative 7. When we multiply these two numbers, we get a negative 24. When we add these two numbers, we get a positive 5. When we multiply these two numbers, we get a 21. When we add these two numbers, we get a negative 10.